Let's say you feel like making a cocktail, maybe something you haven't had in a while. You already own a recipe book, so you rifle through it, but nothing inspires you. Maybe you go to the internet to try to find a cocktail, but there's so many sites to explore. What was that cocktail you had that one time at that one place? You can't find it, so you give up and grab a bottle of wine. Enter the illustrated cocktail. The drawings are so inspiring and memorable, it makes even the simplest drink more fun to make, and the visuals make you want to try something new. For your support, you will get a hardback edition of the book and also great incentives like specially designed coasters and frameable prints. I need your help to make this project what I envision. Please visit my Kickstarter page and pledge today. Cheers!